Introducing the Tesla Semi Truck Motorhome. Built upon the groundbreaking Tesla Semi, the Tesla Semi Truck Motorhome redefines the concept of mobile living with the ability to effortlessly tow 82,000 pounds for over 500 kilometers on a single charge. It's what's inside that truly sets the motorhome apart. A custom-designed RV offering a luxurious and spacious living environment. The interior of the RV boasts a fully automated, minimalistic aesthetic, providing breathtaking views of the world outside. Equipped with deployable solar panels, more than just a mode of transportation, these motorhomes represent a lifestyle, a luxury home on wheels for those who crave adventure without sacrificing comfort, such as reduced maintenance costs and positive environmental impact. The Tesla Semi Truck Motorhome represents the future of travel. Get ready to experience the ultimate journey. Tesla Semi Truck Motorhome. The $250,000 base price is slated for release in 2026.